Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can customize the screen timeout on your Motorola Moto G14. For that you need to go to your settings and then go to display. And now we have screen timeout here after 1 minute of inactivity, but we can also say 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and 30 minutes. 15 seconds and 30 seconds are a bit too short personally, and like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and 30 minutes a bit too long. I always set it to like 1 minute or 2 minutes, and then it blacks out after I don't use it for 2 minutes straight. We also have the screen attention here, prevents your screen from turning off if you're looking at it. It sounds a bit creepy that your phone is watching you all the time, but you can turn that off if you find that useful. So if you choose one here, you can just go back, use your phone as normal, and if you put it aside, don't touch it, then it turns off after the time you just set there. So that's how you can customize the screen timeout on your Motorola Moto G14. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share, and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.